To initiate the Afterpay return process, first, you need to check if you are eligible for a return by reviewing Afterpay's return and refund policy. This policy can be found on the Afterpay website or mobile app. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, proceed to the next step. Next, contact the merchant from whom you made the purchase to obtain a return merchandise authorization, also known as an RMA. This is usually done by phone, email, or through the merchant's website. Provide the merchant with your order number and the reason for the return. The merchant will then guide you through their specific return process. After obtaining the RMA, carefully package the item you wish to return, making sure it is in its original condition with all tags and packaging intact. Include any accessories or gifts that came with the purchase. Ship the item back to the merchant using a trackable shipping method, as you will need to provide the tracking number to Afterpay. Once you have shipped the item, log into your Afterpay account and select the order you are returning. Click on the return option and follow the prompts to initiate the return process. You will need to provide the tracking number for the returned item and any other required information. Afterpay will then review your return request and process a refund if it is approved. The refund will be applied to your Afterpay account, and you will receive an email notification once the refund has been processed. Please note that refunds can take several days to process, so be patient and monitor your email for updates. It is essential to keep in mind that Afterpay's return policy may vary depending on the merchant and the specific item being returned. Always review the return policy before making a purchase and keep records of your return, including the tracking number and any communication with the merchant or Afterpay. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful return process with Afterpay.